In this video, we will see the definition of management, their concept, characteristics, and importance. According to Herald Kunj, management is the art of getting things done through others and with formally organized groups. According to George R. Terry, management is a distinct process consisting of planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling, utilizing in each of both science and arts, and followed in order to accomplish predetermined objectives. According to Massey and Douglas, management is the process by which cooperative group directs actions towards common goals. So we can define management as an act of getting people together to accomplish desired goals and objectives using available resources efficiently and effectively. Since organizations can be viewed as systems, management can also be defined as human action, including design to facilitate the production of useful outcomes from a system. There are several different resource types within management. Resourcing encompasses the deployment and manipulation of human resources, financial resources, technological resources, and natural resources. Concept of management, we can see the management as an activity, we can see the management as a process, we can see the management as an academic discipline, and we can also see the management as a group. Management as an activity, it is an activity just like playing, studying, teaching. It is an art of getting things done through efforts of other people. The management consists of interpersonal activities, divisional activities, informative activities. Management as a process. Management is considered as process as it comprises of series of interrelated functions which lead to achievement of organization goals. Management as a process has following implications: social process, integrated process, continuous process, and interactive process. The elements of management process are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Management as an academic discipline. Management has emerged as a specialized branch of knowledge. It comprises principles and practices for effective management of organization. There are many management institutes imparting education in various fields of management. Management as a group. The term management is frequently used to devote a group of managerial personnel. All the managers, like chief executive, departmental heads, supervisors, are collectively called management. So, management is concerned with all those who manage the affairs of an organization. Characteristics of management. Management is universal. The principles and techniques of management have universal application. They are not rigid. They can be modified and applied in different situations. Management is goal oriented. The basic goal of management is to ensure efficiency and economy in the utilization of human, physical, and financial resources. Managerial success is measured by the extent to which the objectives are achieved. Thus, management is purposeful. Management is an intangible force. It is an unseen force which cannot be seen, but its presence can be felt in the form of results, targets achieved according to plans, satisfied employees, and order line in the organization. Management is pervasive. It is an essential element of every organized activity, irrespective of the size or type of organization, that is, government, business, sports, university, or hospital. It is also prevalent in all the levels of the organization and in all the departments. Management is a continuous process. Management functions are continuous and never ending. These functions are simultaneously performed by all managers all the time. That is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Management is a dynamic function. It is a dynamic function as it has to adopt the changes according to the need of the environment and growth of the business. Management is multidimensional. It is multidimensional as it involves management of work, people, and operations. Importance of management. The efficient management of human and material resources is essential for achievement of objectives of any organization. The success of any business lies in the quality of management. Determination of objectives. It helps in determining the objective of the organization. No organization can succeed in its operations unless its objectives are identified and well defined. These objectives have to be communicated to all the people working in the organization. Achievement of the objectives. It plays a vital role in accomplishment of organizational objectives and goals. The coordination and integration of material and human resources helps in achieving the predetermined goals effectively and efficiently. Efficient use of resources. An efficient management can lead a business towards growth and prosperity. It reduces wastage of human, material, and financial resources through proper planning or control. Encourages innovation. Management encourages innovation in the organization. Innovation brings new ideas, new methods, new products, and makes the organization more competitive. Personal objectives. They are concerned with satisfaction of financial and social needs of the employees. Through motivation and direction, management helps the individuals to achieve their personal goals while working towards organizational objectives. Economic development. Management helps in development of the society by producing good quality products, creating employment opportunities, and adopting new technology. Creates dynamic organization. Management helps the employees to overcome their resistance to change and adopt as per changing situation to ensure its survival and growth. We collect all the content from various resources. You certainly should visit these portal. Link are given in description. Thank you.